Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Reproduction, and in that we are studying topic Advantages of Sexual Reproduction. Now we all know that sexual reproduction has various advantages. There is heredity of characteristics and variation. Let's study and find out a little bit more. Students, we all know that during sexual reproduction there are two parents involved, the male and the female, which gives, in case of human beings, the male parent gives sperm and the female parent gives egg or ovum. Now the male parent will give half number of chromosome, which is the 23 number, and female will give 23. In together 46, a diploid organism is formed. So there is a lot of variation of characteristics that is observed in a child. Half of the characteristics are inherited from the father and half from their mother. So if we talk about the advantages of sexual reproduction, we could say that there are two parents involved. So if two people are involved, there could be variation, a lot of variety in characteristics. There is rapid multiplication and growth in population. We have germ cells which continuously divide and continues to redivide. Also the process of mitosis and meiosis is very specific and very linear in sexually producing organisms. The progeny that's produced is identical. Now, not identical exactly, but there are some characteristics from father and some characteristics from their mother. There is a lot of distribution or dispersal in species. A lot of variation is seen. For example, in your family, if you have 3 siblings or brothers and sisters, all of you are going to look different due to sexual reproduction and due to variation in characteristics given from your mother and father. So students, here in this part of the chapter, we came across that sexual reproduction has a way better advantage and a way better variation as compared to asexual reproduction. I hope students, we all here are very clear with this concept. Thank you.